EY, we've made a very big strategic investment in blockchain technology, and our goal is to put that across every service line. Blockchains are, in their very simplest terms, a shared transactional database. And in that respect, they're a lot like all the other transactional databases that have been out there for history. What's unique and special about blockchains is how they do it, which is this decentralized model that allows many participants to work together without appointing an all-powerful, all-seeing central entity to manage the network. We have a global blockchain team, including a global R&D center, where we're looking at this core technology, understanding how the math and cryptography works, and making sure that all of our solutions that we deliver have a sound footing. Broadly speaking, we're seeing two big areas of opportunity around blockchain. The first is areas where you have complex, multi-party, multi-tier supply chains, where you're thinking about how physical products or assets move across multiple parties. We have a wine blockchain, for example, where we can track a bottle of wine from its origin at a vineyard through the bottling, distribution, and sale all the way out to the end customer. So blockchains really excel where you have many, many different parties who are trying to keep track of a particular asset or item. The second place where we're seeing a huge amount of opportunity is around complex business and contracting and agreement at scale. And we've actually created a little 5-point test to check, is a blockchain a good solution for this? And the 5 points on that test are, number one, are there multiple parties in this business ecosystem? Number two, do you need to build trust between the parties? Third, are we managing finite resources? So if you're trying to manage a single asset, a season ticket or a valuable piece of infrastructure, you want to make sure only one person is using or managing that asset at a time. And then is there a complex set of business rules that bind the parties together so it's more than just a simple back and forth? And then finally, does the ecosystem as a whole benefit from some level of increased transparency? And what we generally tell clients is if you can say yes to 3 or more of these questions, then the chances are you have a really compelling use case for blockchain technology. We have to recognize EY clients are doing business on the blockchains. This technology is going to be transformational. We want to be at the forefront of how it's applied.